and welcome to another powerful and life changing motivational lessons. Today, I want to share with you the most important life changing story. Discover the incredible transformation of Emperor Ashoka from a fierce warrior to a passionate ruler. This powerful historical story will help you improve your English listening and comprehension skills. Learn new vocabulary, sentence structures, and storylining techniques while exploring one of India's greatest emperor. King Ashoka was the son of Bindusar. He was a brave king. He fought many battles and owned a great empire. After the Battle of Kalinga, now Odisha, he decided to give up the war completely. He followed the Bodh religion and spread the message for peace with his daughter Sanghamitra. Century ago, Chandragupta Maurya, founder of the Mauryan Empire, built large kingdom. His son Bindusar was also a good ruler, but after Bindusar's death, his son Ashoka had to fight many battles to become the king. Ashoka conquered many parts of India and went on to become a very powerful king. His armies were the biggest and strongest in the land. Several rulers had to bow before his power. By 273 BC, almost the entire India was under Ashok's rules, except for the kingdom of Kalinga. It was located on the sea coast near Odisha. Ashoka fought the biggest battle of his life to win, to win it. It is said that after the battle, the river running next to the battlefield turned red with blood of the soldiers. About 1 lakh people of Kalinga and more than 10,000 soldiers of the Mauryan army were among those killed. Ashoka saw the blood shed with his own eyes. He felt that he was behind the death of so many people. He therefore decided to give up war completely. He started following the teaching of Buddha to bring peace among his people. Buddhism preaches non-violence and tolerance. It changed Ashoka's ideas about war and power. He learned the importance of peace. As a result, kingdom prospered like never before. Ashoka built many roads and inns. He constructed beautiful places of worship. The period of his rule became the golden age of peace and prosperity. Buddhist monks traveled to all parts of the country and all over the world with Ashoka's message and taught the people the peaceful ways of Buddhism. Ashoka himself traveled with his daughter Sanghamitra and spread the message of peace. The cruel warrior had become the carrier of peace. His efforts were rewarded with his growth of his kingdom. People who feared the warrior earlier, now aboard the peace loving king. Even after his death, people of the land never forget him. They wrote about Asoka's life and his noble deeds. The peace loving king's principles of non violence remain unforgotten till today. Even today, emblem of our country is Asoka's lions.